Hello. In this video, I forgot how many videos, and I think it's the 14th video of Hydra coding challenge. And in this part 2, I feature again Rosa Menkman's work, and I'm gonna try to recode it. And I hope this will be much easier than the part 1. So here is a wiki page from the project Recoded, and here are some of her works, and as you can already see in the corner, I already pasted there this artwork. So I would like to recode it, and first I will erase the last sketch. By the way, I'm actually curious, like, if anyone, because I feel I'm very optimistic about this one. I feel I can really make it easily. I mean, this is kind of similar to some of the sketches from the early ones from Recode project, I think. So I'm quite relaxed. If you go to this web page, this is the repository for Recoded project that people from SFPC and other people contributed sketches to this exhibition. And I wonder if, yeah, so actually there are a few people contributed recoding Rosa Menkman's work. Let's just take a look from the top. So for example, this Andy did Rosa Menkman JPEG. And yeah, this is just a code, so I don't know. Wow, it looks super simple. I don't know. Is this called Bender, which is in the header? Okay, so it's actually using this OFX data bender. That's kind of, I think, the library that glitches the image. Maybe I take a look at other contributor, April's. I don't know. Well, yeah, I think Roy committed April's work. I don't know who they are, but yeah, this also looks like some kind of library, like add-on. Is it? No. I have no idea. Parameters, stretch. Oh, there's another example code. Yeah, these are quite difficult to follow, I have to say. Is there anyone else who made it? Robbie. Menkman scene. From this name, I don't know which exactly it is. Okay, so it's also using like JPEG file buffer, and then somehow using algorithm to glitch it. So they're quite like working from theoretical point of view, I think, rather than how the image looked like. Institution, maybe this is the one that is more like a pattern. Yeah, because this is like using random array and showing squares. Maybe it's similar to the one that I'm going to code. So yeah, it's I think it's really interesting if you need like inspirations both for Hydra and like open frameworks, processing kind of code. This is like easily converted to processing or P5.js. So I highly recommend this repository. And for today, I'd like to try the code that's opened in the corner. I'll just open it again for me to view it. this one here. I'll just enlarge it. Okay, so I guess the strategy would be, again, OSC, Thresh, and somehow using... Wait, but it's not really stripes. They are kind of grid. How can I make a grid? It's not that hard. So we start with OSC. I'll just keep it 60. And Thresh is needed. So here, I mean, can be before or after. I would add rotate. I don't know if it has to be like specifically like specific. Well, maybe I just do it like that. 45 degrees, which is pi over 4 radian. And again, as always, I add scale so that you can see that it's actually 45 degrees. Yes. Now, what I'm going to do here is, yes, I need to pixelate it. Uh-oh, that's actually very interesting. Maybe I should make use of this somehow. Maybe OSC a little bit bigger and then... But this is maybe not what I want. I'm not sure, actually. Wow. This is actually some kind of thing, like topic that probably Rosa Menkman would be interested, this idea of resolution. Yes, but now I'm getting really stressed because I just want a grid, which maybe this is okay. Is this okay? No. I mean, if, this really drives me crazy. That's what I want to say. But is it fixed? Is it really okay? I don't know. Let's say this is okay. Now I have a grid. Okay, now I have a grid. I have to be happy. The parameter I just like guessed, and somehow it worked. You can do a math if you want. I sometimes do it. I mean, if I write this in Hydra book, then I had to really go through it, math and explain how this worked, and, like geometry. But like this video, I don't care. I just want the result. Okay, so, but again, wait, is this really what I want? I think yes and no. So I think what I need is that, like, as always, I need like modulate, in this case, scale with a noise. It's not really noise, but I will start with the noise. That is static, and this wouldn't work. Not working. So I have to pixelate it to, I don't know, like 16 by 16, something like that. Okay, that's not bad. Now the problem is they're a bit too random. And in this one, it looks a little bit more, but it's quite random actually. The thing here is that some are kind of stretched in horizontal way, some are in vertical way. And in order to do that, I think you have to do some kind of remapping technique using OSC 60 1.5 modulate by this. I'll leave out pixelate here. And this would be subtracted by gradient and modulate by 1. This should work. No. I'll just guess the parameters because I'm maybe it's okay. Is it okay? It's kind of getting okay. Oops. Yeah, it's not bad. Wow, that's good. So what am I doing? Actually, what if I make it into 0.14? Good. This is good. This is really good. I'm really happy. Um, multiply. Now, trick. I'm going to use with noise. Or maybe a bit more. And then I would say thresh. I think thresh has to be a bit bigger. 0. Uh-oh. Pixelate, of course. 16, 16. It was the other way around. Minus 0.3. Or minus 0.5. Or minus 0.7. I don't know. Good. We're almost there. Are we? We are. Yes. Okay. Should I try to make this bottom part that is like kind of glitchy? I think so. And in order to do that, I think this modulate scale has to be somehow hacked. And I think I just have to multiply this with... So what I want to do is to add some kind of mask at the bottom, which is shape. Shape 1 is the weird one. The 1, 1, 1. So you do this, it's a bit weird. What if I do 1, 0? It actually goes to the center of the image. So if you go to minus 0.2 or something, then it goes even lower. And up to minus 1 is like completely hidden. So this time I think I want something like this, but or maybe, but like slightly rotated maybe. Yeah, and I think I want invert. So I just like keep the upper part and the bottom part I do something else. So I want to add this here as a multiplier, as a masking. Oh, interesting. And I think this thing I would, I don't know, I'm not very creative, but I name it M, like a mask. I make it into a function. Here is the same thing because I wanted to do this here. I want to multiply it here. Is it? No. No, this doesn't work because, well, first of all, it has to be before pixelate. So that's, I think I need to rotate a little bit less. Okay. So, and this threshold thing is bothering me. Oh, interesting. Maybe it's okay like this. Yeah, I mean, I was thinking like what to do with the kind of rest of this pattern, but so I think this is why I have to do like really math because I guess these parameters. So, oh, okay, I guessed it, and then this weird aliasing thing is gone, so it's okay. But if I change this parameter like slightly, then you see this artifact again. Somehow it worked, so I wouldn't touch it. So here's the work. It's not very convincing, but I made it, and it kind of looks okay. Of course, I want to animate it. Well, I think the nature of this artwork, I think it's not really like meant to be animating, but maybe I just, ooh, we can go crazy with this. This is this is actually really crazy, but I like it. So here we go, and should I change something here? Maybe not. I like it like this. So here we go. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you made something out of this video, or if you came up with something, feel free to please share it in the comment, or just write to me by email. I really appreciate it. And also, if you have some suggestions, like questions, whatever comments, feedback, please write in the comment below. I really appreciate it. I read every comment. I mean, there's not like 100 comments, so of course I read it. And if you have any questions, I try to answer it. Also, yeah, I don't know, like whatever. Please write to me. And I'm actually thinking about documenting this somehow, because now I have quite some, like more than 10 videos. I want to maybe I can make a web page where I can see the video, and also maybe live sketch. That would be interesting. And yeah, that's that. So I think for Rosa Menkman's work, these two is enough for now. And but I think I might come back later if yeah, and some other time, because this, like, her topic of glitch is really related to the Hydra, nature of Hydra itself. So I think it's really interesting to explore what Hydra can do in terms of the kind of recreating glitch. And yeah, so please like the video if you like it. And if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Bye.